Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about y equals to vs. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1. This one we have number 1. And that is about the product rule of the derivative. So this one that is about this one. So we can simplify like this. Y we change for Vs. Next, we need to simplify S for the both sides. Next, we need to simplify S to the power of 3 on numerator and denominator. Next, V and V we cancel for the both sides. Next, we divide both sides by S. Next, I will put V to the power of 3 go to the left, the S go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, this one that is about V to the power of 4 over 4. This one we keep the same. About V that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by S. And now we need to change V into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.